Don't ever come in my crib. I will do a wheelie on your head. Yes, indeedy, feed the needy. The flippin' Underdog, Moto Mania, back at you again with another Moto vlog. Oh, is this bad boy crooked? I mean, good enough, right? No, like it's gonna come unscrewed. Nothing like that has ever happened. Gee, old Underdog. Never mind, I almost lost my tail light last time out. But anyway, last couple of vlogs. It's launching the Skydio. Same deal here. I'm looking for a different spot. I'll put the time up on the video if I get it up in the air for when I launch it. I imagine I'll find the spot this time. Last time my GPS had failed me. This time I additionally took a screenshot of the directions on my phone in case my GPS decides to fail again. There we go. Whew. A little chillier than I expected. Yikes. Woo. Bad wheelie. What a way to start the day. There's always some manner of wheelie. It's usually adequate. That bike doesn't sound like it's chugging too well. I got it up there to the good spot, and I didn't give it enough trust up there. No, I didn't. I mean, it feels okay. I feel some coolness in the air. It's like 50 plus, so I feel a little bit better. If the sun would creep back out again, I knew this would happen when I looked out my window and I saw the sun shine. I'm like, yep. When the temperature's up a little bit and I'm working on getting myself out, it's gonna go away. There's a lot of pitches and curves in that road, as you notice the swerviness. I just feel like, is your rear axle tight, Underdog? That would be a thing now, wouldn't it? But I'm sure. Have you checked the chain lately? Something I generally do, but this bike has been pretty good on that front. Get yourself a real bike. Brap, 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 brap. Harley Davidson, real boy bike. Woo! Soft on the back brake and down. I think you liked my wheelie. Yeah. Fourth gear brought up a little slower due to the slope in the road. Slope in the road, popping it up, no problemos. None whatsoever, no. Yeah, I don't want to chase it out. Oh man, I was looking over at the gas station. Yes, I do remember this turn, so I was a little concerned about the bump and how the bike would react, because I haven't been down here in a long time, didn't know how big that bump was. Maybe want to go down sooner. Let's be on the safe side. Back breakdown. Yeah, I don't play with the curves much. Once in a while I get frisky. Driveway. Underdog got curious. Curiosity killed the underdog, true story. Darn near. Sometimes I wonder if I can make that turn. Yes and no. Did he make the turn? Yes. Was he upright at the end of the turn? Different story. He waved, he's like, yeah! Oh man, you know, now sometimes, you know, old people can, you know, and I'm an old person myself, but sometimes old people really can see the joy in life and be like, yeah! You know, brighten your day on when you feel like you can't go anywhere because of the current situation. Strange times right now, strange times. Soft on the back brake. Let's bring it down with some manner of control before the curve. And get on with life, guys. Soft on the back brake. Soft on the back brake. I remember the first time I was down here, there's all kinds of gravel back then in one of these turns. Huh. And the UPS truck turning around. That's fun. They're backing up. Yeah, nothing like King's Highway, but there's still something to get down here. Ah, boy, you know. Straight. Straight down. Yes. Okay. We shall remember the road we came up. Take note of it, mental and or otherwise. Whew. So I mean, ideally that might be the road you'd actually want to come down, so then you come down at the end of the road, Riga Mumford Road. A lot of debris in the road. Didn't want to mess with that on one wheel. Rock zone. Nice. Okay, well, let's just get a picture. Ooh. Yeah. Brap, 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 brap. Do I trust my kickstand on that? Let's see. How much are you sinking, buddy? Or two. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, Underdog's bike. Responsibly reckless. Huh. Yeah, this is my little handiwork. Had to zip tie this up here because my plastic cracked. Good times, right? Poor abused motorcycle. Alright, fun little road. People fishing down here. I assume they know each other. Social distancing and whatnot. It's a bigger group than you'd expect to see now, isn't it? We're power wheeling 4th gear up that little whoop. This bike's a blast. Woo-wee. Woo. There's a turn for you. Banked the wrong way though, but woo. It's a bank to slide you right off of it. Coming back the other way is probably a little better. Woo! Stick. streets. Whew. Crud. Whoa! I don't know if the GoPro is going to do that hill justice, but whoa. Oh, whoa. Oh, whoa. So, what's the name of this road? Otka. Yeah, this is Otka right here. Okay. Whew, man, look at that. It's crazy, isn't it? Whew. Oh, fudge. Ah! Oh. Oh. I almost bit it. Oh. Yeah, that road is not level. Yes. Yes, sweet. Oh, fudge. Gravel. So, sweet success, I believe, up here. Right turn, wide open spaces. Pretty sure. Okay. 1, 2, 3. On. It's syncing the GPS right now. Fixed tracking. Getting ready to fly. Wait, syncing GPS again. Make up your mind, bro. Starting Skydio2. Three, 2, 1. Launching. Whoa. That thing does not see me. Okay. Oh shit. Where's it going? It's nowhere near me. Okay. Okay, I have no idea. Have no idea what happened on that launch. Okay, let's turn it off. Let's turn everything off. That happened weird. Powered on. 1, 2, 3. Talking about behaving in a way unexpected. Now obviously the beacon was connected to the drone because I was able to bring it okay. Let's try this again. That was scary. It's like Skydio's flying away now. It is breezy too, but I really don't feel like that's gonna give me a big problem. It seems to be a pretty steady flyer. Okay, let's do this one more time. Powering off. Powering off. It's off. Okay, power on. 1, 2, 3. We'll see if it gives me a gimbal issue again. Syncing GPS, no talks of problems. Three, 2, 1. Take 2. Turned around, it found me this time. Yes. Oh fuck. Okay. It flew away. Okay, this is the second time I put it in fixed track and it flew away. Why? Oh shit. Okay. Something about the spot. I don't know. I'm literally to launch it in this spot again. So as you saw, did not perform as expected. And try to get back and maybe launch it from the other spot. Alright. Underdog Moto Mania with some bad drone flying. But I'm gonna head back up towards the house and try to launch it in the area I launched it in before. So the drone didn't perform as you'd expect. It took off out of my hand at least the second time and turned and faced me. It was in tracking mode. When I went to switch the modes, for lack of a better word, it totally flew away. So I used the beacon to stop and hover it, manual steer, bring it back. I'm going to try to launch it in an area where I've launched it before and haven't had problems. Seemed like it had a little trouble syncing the GPS down here, and that might have been an issue. But this is the road I was trying to get it down, see if I even could have done anything down this road. Maybe. Anyway, I couldn't get my launch up, or it didn't behave as expected. Matter of fact, it whipped by those power lines. I mean, I launched into one area. I mean, if it behaved as expected, I would have been able to keep it away from the power lines. But as you can see, it just basically flew away. Every time I switch modes to try to get it in a different tracking mode. Maybe I'll post this video as what went wrong. And then if I find a good spot to launch it, what went right? Terrifying to see the drone do that. It was crazy to see it behave like that, just see it fly off. You're like, really? Okay, so I think I'm gonna go left, and this is gonna bring me down towards the other road. Should have gave those guys a super moto hello. We'll lean back on the set down. I couldn't get it up high enough to mess with the turn. Back. A gust of wind. It's crazy. Okay, so the turn is right away. And I think this just really brings me back to the spot. Starting Skydio. Ready to launch. 3, 2, 1. Oh, nope. 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 Okay. I didn't want it to launch with the car coming. But Skydio made up its mind. Okay. Well, I'm gonna think what went wrong is something with the GPS in that area. Launch it down here, no problem. And it's got me, fam. Okay. Okay. And where to go? What the heck? Okay. Well, let's see. See if we can change the angle a little bit. Alright. Feel pretty good about that angle. Getting a little loopy with it. Okay. Still there. Okay. See if you stay on the correct side this time, Skydio. What the heck? Oh. High winds. High winds, high winds. Okay. I got you, fam. Alright, alright. Skydio's not happy. High winds. Okay. Alright. Well, the beacon beeped at me and told me, high winds. Get it out of the air. And I tend to oblige. Okay. So, that was a bizarre good news, bad news scenario. Good news is, good news is Skydio still works. Ooh, we don't want you. We don't want you turning on, buddy. The good news is Skydio still works. Bad news is I did want to fly it in that area. Oh God. So yes, Underdog Moto Mania. So that comes to a really weird good news, bad news scenario. Good news, my drone, I brought it in the area where I've launched it before, and it functioned as expected. Bad news is, I brought it to that other area, and it flew away. Gotta go back and check the footage. Gotta go back and check the footage. But I know basically I launch it, hit the stop button, switch it to fixed track mode because I wanted to fly it much like down here on an area in a side that I knew had no wheelies, high wind. But fly it in an area where I knew it had no not as many obstacles. So, you know, I try to fly it to the right. The second I put it on fixed track, or the second I tried to change the mode at all, except for manual steering, the drone literally turned away from me and flew away. I was leery of launching it in that wind condition, but it seemed fine. It seemed fine. Alrighty then. But anyway, guys. Alrighty then. Anyway, guys, Underdog Moto Mania here. If you like what you saw, like, comment, subscribe to my channel. If any of you Skydio2 experts know what went wrong in the first location, let me know down in the comments. But anyway, guys, stay safe out there, guys. Ride safe, and why don't you come ride with me? Underdog Moto Mania out. Do 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 do. Alright guys, I'm out.